Ki khubor ka Bathymmai TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Banweng gejing khapnya jong kasor Shillong, Sorkar jela kelarai ban penkendria no ya ke Police Reserve Shillong Tynring ke bahap hapo ke New Shillong Township. Ya kan lapentip do no iktien ke Sorkar jela bapo lingdo bulong ru menteri ke Sorkar jela habekran silar pathai kubor hadim melawai gejing alang jong ke kinhun menteri ke belong ka pundrut ruk leber arajar pausan. Ubak pol layat hu ba ke Sorkar kan saai ke jaka ke behe sanpau akar na bentaban chna ya ke Police Reserve Bathymmai Shillong Tynring bat ke jaka kan longru kum ke kerdop hapadeng ke Administrative City ba ke Knowledge City jong ke New Shillong Township.
In order to further decongest the city of Shillong, the police reserve will now be relocated at Tynring, which is under the new Shillong Township. An area of 50 acres will be allotted for the creation of a new police reserve at Tynring, and this particular area will also serve as a corridor between the administrative city and the knowledge city of the new Shillong Township. The cabinet has approved this particular proposal, and we will go ahead with the setting up of the police reserve, which will also help in the process of decongesting the state capital.